Okay, so we are heading out because my iPhone charging cable is busted, and this will double as a test for possible moto vlogging and vlogging in general. And Kits has been pushing me to do it ever since my last trip to Baguio, so I'm planning to vlog in Baguio. That's where I have my bike worked on. It's not open right now. Usually their gates are open and you can see all the big bikes inside. So if you've seen my Instagram, I'm usually hanging out in the garage. They have like a bunch of R6s, R7s. How can you not get good at riding a motorcycle if you live in Marcos Highway, right? The roads are so wide. So a lot of people ask me, is it scary to ride a motorcycle? You know, I didn't grow up riding a motorcycle. I think I started mid-pandemic, or I started practicing mid-pandemic, and for me, it's a lot less scary than riding a car. Because you see these roads, they're kind of made for cars, so like the space is just right for a car. But when you're on a motorcycle, it really does feel like you're a tiny fish in a big ocean with lots of space to work with. Like right now, I can weave around the road, no problems, overtaking these cars, getting to my destination faster. It's also a lot cheaper when it comes to gas, because I think my full tank for this bike, and I use it quite often, is around 700 to 800 a month. And I go to places like Makati, to SMX, and you just don't feel scared once you're used to it. Alright, yep, go sir, go ahead. Dang, look at that traffic on the other side. Later we're gonna see how quickly we can get through that. You know, that's what I hate about these Jeeps. Not only are they like super reckless drivers, but look at that smoke coming out of the Jeep, man. And it's disgusting because it's getting into my face. I can't put down the windshield because it might mess up the wires, but dang, look at that. It just comes out. It's like a factory, man. And that's the one thing I hate about being on a motorcycle. It's smoke belchers, man. They're the worst. Alright, here we are. This is the mall where we're gonna get our new iPhone cable. Not new iPhone. Cannot afford that yet. Have other things to prioritize. But my old cable is all janked up. All messed up now. Alright, this is test number 2, because I watched a video that said that we have to turn the wind reduction off so that there's no crackling. But we're gonna see when we get home, I guess. Hopefully the crackling's all gone. And like I said a while ago, let's see how we can breeze through this traffic, because traffic's insane. Let's see if we can get through this fast. I don't think that's big enough fit, is it? Yeah, it is. Yeah. This is like the opposite of the other side of the road. But it's okay, because we on a bike and traffic don't scare us. There's a U-turn slot there we are trying to avoid. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's a nice custom color. I dig the color of his bike. And because it has red. Red's my favorite color. Oh, tight fit. Oh, easy, easy, easy. Easy. Hey. You're taking up a lot of space. Now he's turning left. And it's usually after this part where things really even out. And like I said, there it is. It's a traffic jam going into that road. And then here is where we're gonna be testing out that crackling. Hopefully we don't get that crackling. I don't want that. Definitely gonna get some wind noise here. I'm pretty sure we're gonna get some wind crackling or something like that. Unless it's not fighting that anymore. It's probably really loud though. So maybe we're gonna get some clipping at the very least. Best case scenario, everything got fixed from that tip I saw in that video about turning off the wind noise reduction. So this is where we're gonna find out. Almost home. And that's as far as we go.